Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender NB50500 renewed. If you're the kind of person who wants a fast, compact, single-serve blender that actually crushes frozen fruit and doesn't babysit your counter, this one's in your lane. The 1,200-watt motor is no joke. People say it pulverizes smoothies in seconds and makes greens disappear, and I felt the same punch in daily use. The cup clicks in, the glow interface pops on, and you can either let the auto smoothie cycle ride or tap holes for chunky salsas. Tridan Renew cups, BPA-free, shatter-resistant, are genuinely tough and dishwasher-safe, which keeps cleanup low effort. Now the hedges. Marketing says this Ultra is quieter, but multiple reviewers call it loud, especially with ice. I'd call it apartment acceptable for short blends, not library quiet. Refurb quality can be hit or miss too. Most units arrive looking new and run perfectly, but a small number showed sloppy reassembly. One buyer had missing screws and immediate failure. That's the renewed gamble. Inspected and tested by Amazon qualified suppliers, backed by Amazon's policy. But the included warranty listed here is only 90 days. Note, the blade has a 5-year limited warranty from NutriBullet, but your overall renewed coverage is shorter. The good, powerful, small footprint, easy to clean, cups and to-go lids are clutch, and it actually handles ice and frozen stuff without drama. The annoyances: noise with ice, short renewed warranty versus brand new models, occasional QC inconsistency, and it's currently unavailable, so you may need to stock restocks or just buy new. Is it a scam? No. Amazon Renewed is a legit program with tested gear and returns, and most buyers here are happy. Rating SKU 5-star with best personal blender energy. Worth it. If you want a compact beast for smoothies, sauces, and quick prep, and you're okay with the refurbished trade-offs, occasional dud, shorter warranty, yes, especially if you catch it at a solid discount. If you're super noise sensitive, paranoid about refurb QC, or want multi-year coverage out of the box, go new, or step up to a system, and skip the risk. Bottom line, strong daily driver, just know what you're buying. Disclaimer: this is an opinion based on a product page and user reviews you provided. Always check current listing details, availability, and warranty terms before purchasing.